I really run my machinery business a lot different than a lot of other people. We buy and sell equipment. I've focused more on purchasing equipment from private party people, and then we do a little bit of logistical stuff where we help companies move.
My coworkers here at Wheeler Machinery really stand out because they care. They care about their job. They care about giving the customers 100%, whether it be from checking out the machine and giving them a detailed report to properly preparing it for shipment. We want the customer to be happy. We want them to come back.
Dan has a heart of gold. He always thinks of the other guy's feelings, and in return, everybody responds back with the same attitude.
What makes this company different is that Dan really cares about the quality of the machine that he's offering. He really looks to offer things that are going to be up and running and aren't going to have problems.
We keep customers coming back by caring for their application, by trying to check out each and every machine and letting them know, what's good, what it may need. To be upfront with them, to be honest, and to keep them coming back for more machines.
Dan Wheeler is about as honest as the day is long. He's a great guy. He knows his stuff. As you can see, he keeps a beautiful warehouse.
When you're coming in and you see a clean and organized shop and equipment running, that gives you a lot of trust. And that can make you a little comfortable. You can go and buy very nice equipment.
I really think that's probably led to a lot of the success of this business, is just how I treat people.
Dan Wheeler and Wheeler Machinery has been great. We've done several deals with them, and they've been very supportive. And one of them has actually been a very personal deal where Dan helped me appraise and value my own father's tool and die shop.
So I think the one thing that we provide our customers is confidence. And I think what's really special about this company is really with no questions asked. If somebody's not happy with something they buy from me, just bring it back. I think that's one thing we're really good at. And I want people to think that we take pride in what we do. Everybody here, all my guys care.